What's going on, everybody? This is the Fanny 21 back once again. And what you see here is a 20-inch Fasco box fan model 2077. This fan dates to around the mid-1960s. And this is a 3-speed fan, electrically reversible, with a thermostat. There's the top control here. This knob here has been replaced. That's what the thermostat knob would have looked like originally, but it was missing when I acquired this fan. Got this fan off of eBay about a year ago. And pretty interesting fan. I mean, it's a lot taller than most 20-inch box fans. This is pretty interesting. As you can see, it's got the air diffuser grill on the front. And just a normal grill on the back. And you can see it's got this traditional Fasco fan blade there. Fan's in pretty good shape for its age. You'll notice here I got some zip ties here on the grill, and because someone cut the vertical slots here where it hooks up to the fan, it was loose and it rattled real bad. So I zip tied those tight again. So I don't know why they will do that, but whatever. So turn around front here and give this thing a demonstration. So we'll start on the intake position on left. And this fan is a little noisy. This fan, the motor needs a lot of work. It needs some fiber washers real bad, as you can hear by all the rattling inside there. With the air diffuser grill there, you could hear rather the airflow coming toward the camera in this angle. When you're straight in front of the fan, there's no air movement except for going up or down. And then you got air coming out this side. So another quirk that they put on box fans in the 60s. We'll take it up to medium. And we'll take it to high. Then we'll go shut it off here. We'll pan around the back, let it stop, and then we'll show you reverse from this side here, since it's where the air is going to be coming out of. Now these fan blades here are pretty much only designed to do intake, which was forward going through the air diffuser grill. And so running this blade in reverse sounds completely different, and it moves a lot less air. And I'll demonstrate that right now. Yeah, the motor needs some work done to it. There's low speed on the exhaust. Kind of like the sound of the blades on the exhaust mode on this fan. Take it up to medium. got to shut it off with the thermostat. And we're going to let it coast to a stop. Yeah, once I get that motor fixed, this will be a pretty nice fan. Just got too many projects going on at the moment. It's hard to keep track of them all. And so I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video on this 20-inch Fasco electrically reversible box fan model 2077. And so I thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video once again, everybody. And we'll see you next time.